Hey guys, I'm Harley Clifford. I'm here at the MasterCraft photo shoot, and one of my favorite features on these boats this year is the thruster. When I first jumped in a boat with a thruster, I kind of laughed, to be honest. I've been driving boats for like 20 years and I feel like I'm pretty good and pretty confident with parking and doing all that sort of stuff. But once I actually jumped in one of these MasterCrafts with a thruster in it, there was kind of no going back. A thruster helps you pivot the boat around and helps you in tight situations like coming into the dock or trying to reverse into a dock, picking up your rider, or just even turning around on the spot. MasterCraft's done a really good job of integrating the thruster into the throttle. So it's right on the knob there. You just twist left, twist right, and you can pivot your boat around. Where some other boats, they have it up on the screen and you have to reach your hand over to use the screen, or they have a separate knob on the dash. If you're looking into getting a new boat and you have the option to get a thruster, I definitely wouldn't overlook it. For more content like this, head to MasterCraft's main channel.